Abby, what's wrong?
Christmas is coming up, and I don't have much money left.
Oh, I know. I mean, look at my wallet. It is so empty.
That's how I feel. I wanted to do something fun with my family, but there's not much you can do that's free.
But there's hope out there.
What was that?
Down here.
Don't be sad. I know things are hard, but there is hope. There is something that you can do with your family this winter. Guess what? It's free! Yep, that's right. Heritage Animal Hospital is having a huge free event on December 7th. That's something even your wallet can feel good about.
Oh, that's right! The annual open house. That event will have a bunch of free family fun things.
That's right, Tristan. But if you want to spend some money, they have some awesome raffle baskets worth over $200. All the proceeds from that go towards the Salvation Army Adopt a Family program.
Right, Mr. Wallet. Thank you, man. Such a pal.
Tristan, what's going on?
You heard it, folks. Straight from the wallet's mouth. We are going to have so much fun, and it won't even cost you a dime.
So come